carbon, an ancient natural element, making changes and being changed during the process of human civilization. The graphite electrode made the production of high-quality steel possible. Extract and purify quality steel from waste resources and reuse it for production. This is the magic of carbon. Xuzhou, China. We are engaged in a green career to change waste to treasure. We will change petroleum coke and coal tar pitch, the wastes of petrochemical industry and coking industry, into graphite electrode, an indispensable material for the production of high-quality steel. This career has made Jianglong successful and excited the passion of every single Jianglong people for carbon. Each year, more than 60,000 tons of raw materials were changed into graphite electrode of different specifications and different types in Jianglong. These high-quality carbon products will play a bigger role in the production of high-quality steel. We change the resources advantages into market advantages and strive to achieve the maximization of resource value, which made Xuzhou Jianglong Carbon Products Company Limited have the stronger competitiveness in the industry. We insist in the steady development and good capital operation, insist in the introduction of high-end talent, insist in updating equipment and technology to strengthen and expand the quality of Jianglong. We are specialized in carbon products, adhere to the concept of innovation, and commit to serve the global customers. During the several decades of Jianglong Carbon's development, we have been committed to make carbon products play a greater value. In order to produce high-quality graphite electrode, Jianglong continues to improve its management, equipment, and technology to consider every detail for the customers, to ensure the reliability in the use process of the customers. We strictly control the quality of our products. We have accurate requirements, and we take customer satisfaction as our pursuit. We will double devote for these. Jianglong Carbon has kept environmental protection concept throughout, from production to circulation, and we have been committed to looking for new ways to make the production process as green as possible.
Our plant can provide 50,000 tons of graphite electrodes per year to all over the world. Each year, more than 10% of the sales growth. You can see our Jianglong Group in the steel production, such as Germany, England, France, Italy, America, Japan, South Africa, and some other markets.
Carbon is our element, which will create more possibilities in the future. Jianglong Carbon has been excavating more values of carbon. This is the influence of the carbon, and this is the influence of Jianglong. Jianglong Carbon, more competitive, more influence.